Hello everybody, this is Lucci, once again with you guys opening up some some Scarlet and Violet Paradox Reef booster packs, Pokemon. This is my collection, what I have got, you know. That's a Pikachu right there too. This is my favorite card right here. It's my favorite card, guys. Magic card. Let me know if anybody want to buy any of these. Okay. I got Iceon. Okay, let's get to it. First pack opening. Oh, what we got here now? Nice. We're gonna put them here. We're gonna put them right here. So we got nets. Nice. What's the name? Corviknight. Oh, nice. Cigar pack. Oh, whoa. My favorite cardigan. Oh, man. That's beautiful. This is a God pack. Whoa. God pack. Man, that's fucking badass. Hey, guys, this is awesome. Got these packs at Walmart here in Mexico. Look at this. Whoa. Shining Unos. Wow, look at that. Whoa, nice. Nice. Oh, nice. This God pack was awesome. I'll be crazy if I get crazy if all these 4 packs are God packs. Imagine all 4 God packs. That'd be crazy. We got our second right here. My camera really stinks, so. Okay, next pack, guys. You know, I got it. Because it's harder, record and do everything with at the same time. Whoa, are you serious? Whoa, look at this. Wow. Is this a legendary Reshiram? I'm gonna put him right here. I'm gonna put him right here, second pack. Whoa, nice. It's a nice card. Whoa, I think this is another God pack. I'm new into Pokemon, so nice. Whoa, legendary Oh-Ho. Whoa, nice. Legendary Oh-Ho. Look at that. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. I know it's my destiny. Hey, but you understand. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. What is this? Whoa, this is another legendary. Requires requires Ray Rayquaza? I don't know the name. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful. What is this? Manly? We got another God pack right here. All shiny, all holographic. Damn, that's awesome. It's a good find for the second one. Ada, calm down, Ada. Whoa, another rainbow card. What is this? My camera sucks, guys, so. Rilla, boom. That's a nice rainbow card. Whoa, this is nice. Look at this, guys. Chiyu. Oh, this is a nice card. Wow. Beautiful. Look at this. Amazing. Oh, holy moly. Hey, pal. This is one of the best packs I ever opened. Look at that. Bulbits. Wow. Look at this. Ting Lu. Whoa. Regirock. Is this another legendary? Whoa, another Oh-Ho. Nice. That's nice. Fine. Last pack, everybody. Like and subscribe, everybody. Don't be that bum guy that just passes by and, comments at the bottom. Hate. Talking about, oh, this and that. Whoa, Pikachu. Whoa, that's a beautiful Pikachu. Oh, just awesome. Super holographic Pikachu. Wow, I love this Pikachu. I'll put it over here. This is the 4 of the best booster packs I ever opened. Thank you, Walmart. Oh, wow, Mew. A little Mew. Yo. Wow. Nice Mew. Yeah, you guys go buy a Walmart here in Mexico. You know they got the best Pokemon cards, Pokemon booster packs. I'll put that right here. Put it on the side right here. Put this picture right here. And let's continue on. Anybody want to buy these? I definitely will sell you guys something. I got so much. Whoa, another one of these rainbow cards. Wow, beautiful. Another rainbow. Look at all my rainbow cards. Alright guys, this is all. This is all I got after those 4 booster packs. It's coming more to my collection. You know, yeah guys, like and subscribe, help out the channel so I can keep, buying more Pokemon cards here and, sharing with you guys. Thank you, like and subscribe. Peace out.